Good morning, students. Myself, Rangnath Billarbi, Assistant Professor of English. In our today's presentation, we will discuss about comprehension passage. Imagine, students, you and your friend decide to play a game in which one person will tell a story and the second one has to listen and then answer the related question. Firstly, your friend tells you a story and asks you some questions. What will you do to try to answer his questions? You will listen to the story carefully, as dedicatedly as possible. You will then try to find the answers from the story and you will not make your own assumptions. This is the basic idea of solving comprehension passage. Comprehension passages are very easy to score in the examination for students. Comprehension passage, it means to understand or to grasp an idea, what you listen or what you read. Comprehension test of the passage or the paragraphs will be given to you in an examination. These comprehension passages, they show the idea or mood concerning issues, their solutions that the author has provided. The main task is to answer the questions asked from the passage. The entrance exam of IIM test CAT CAT has a 70% of weightage for the comprehension passage. Even other job entrance examination has comprehension passages for the aspirants. To solve comprehension passage, we need these skills: analytical ability, vocabulary power, reading speed, inference power, reasoning ability, and logical ability. There are some of the tips to solve or which makes easy for you to crack the comprehension passage. Firstly, you have to read the passage fastly. When you're reading the passage, read it with involvement and understanding, and you have to underline some of the main points which you find are important in the passage. Another thing is you have to focus all your understanding on the main idea. You also should underline the key words and unfamiliar words. Try to determine the main theme or idea, tone or mood, and inferential reasonings. Don't assume anything based on your personal beliefs. Students, these are the samples for your reference, some of the passages. This passage at your own time, you can read this thoroughly following the tips which I presented in this presentation and try to find the answers to the questions. And as well as there is another passage in this presentation, I recommend the same thing for you, that is, go through the passage and find the answers to these questions. There is a saying, students, with languages you are at home anywhere. It means any grammatical aspect or the comprehension, if you learn thoroughly, it will surely help you to score more marks, and it will help you in the future days while you are appearing for the entrance exams or competitive exams to come out of that examination successfully. Thank you very much.